Merry Christmas, Vixens. It is cocktail time with Jeff and Corinne. Tonight we are shaking up one of my favorites that Jeff makes. He found it on Reddit at one point, and it's called a Summer Hemingway.
So, ingredients and equipment you'll need. You'll need a bar spoon, ice, your shaker, your jigger, and a rocks glass. So first of all, you're going to take your rocks glass, you're going to pop a big cube in there and set that aside for later. And then if you want to fill the shaker with ice, and you're going to take your jigger and
Roommate shaker.
your gin. I'm using some local big gin from, Big Gin. And you're going to take 1.5 ounces of that.
While you're doing that, this is our big ice cube tray that we use at home. It's one of those silicone things, and it just lives in the fridge, and you can pop your fancy big ass ice cube out of there whenever you want. They're very handy. You can get them on Amazon.
And then another 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice.
No fresh squeeze, just the stuff from the store, but unsweetened. Definitely unsweetened.
Yeah, if you have sweetened grapefruit juice, just don't use the simple syrup in it.
Or it would be like...
Speaking of simple syrup, we're going to use 3/4 ounce of simple.
In Jeff's favorite measuring device. He's just adding things into the measuring cup as we go. So he's got 3/4 ounce.
Yep. And then 3/4 ounce of lime juice.
So that'll bring it up to 1.5 for those of you who are really paying attention and want extra credit.
Yeah, there won't be a test later. And then 1/2 ounce of maraschino, pronounce it however you like. If you're Italian, you're cursing me right now.
It's Luxardo maraschino cherry liqueur. Okay, this is the most random part though, and I love this stuff. Okay, don't shake me in the head.
Yeah. Keeping a good grip on this, keeping it covered, and shake.
We like this little shaker, and we use it in all of our drink videos because it is insulated, so it doesn't freeze your hand out, and it keeps everything super cold.
Somebody was telling me that Vixen sells these. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
We totally do. My
So,
roommate.
You're going to pour this into the glass.
I'm bouncing because I'm happy. I like this one.
Yeah.
Because it has this crazy secret ingredient that if you're in the bar business, which we're not, we just like drinking. People that are in the bar business all know and love Amaros. And so this particular Amaro, my friend Brandy, who's used to be our esthetician, she turned me on to this a long time ago.
This one's Fernet Menta. There's also the Bronco, which is the more common one. This one just gives it a little bit more pop, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's crazy good.
So that's 1/2 ounce of Fernet. And you're going to take your bar spoon, you're going to place it over the top, and you're going to try and float it. I've managed this like half the time. So let's see how it goes. And it should give you a gradient.
So it should kind of hang out on the top? Or
Yep.
it should be falling through?
Well, it'll kind of do both.
Okay.
This one...
Yeah, it's kind of falling through.
Really didn't make it.
It's mostly
Your
sinking to the
mileage
bottom.
may vary.
Okay, can I have this?
Yeah.
What do you want to say about it? No other garnishes, right?
No garnish. Just
Okay.
enjoy.
Oh my God, that's so good. Hello, honey.
Hi.
Just like to give a shout out to my men.
Thanks,
Helping
Jeff.
me make my videos in their shiny jackets that I
Cheers.
can wear on New Year's.
Cheers.
Bye, guys.